Hey everyone, Matthew here. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all having a fantastic Monday. It's December 22nd, 2025, and this is your Daily Nasdaq Futures Recap, where we take you through every key market movement, uncover the data that shaped the day's action, and analyze every trade executed by our algorithmic system. Let's dive straight into it. Market news and landscape. It was a quiet day on the economic calendar. The most notable event was the 3- and 6-month bill auctions at 11:30 a.m. Aside from that, there were no major earnings announcements from tech companies after the bell, which kept things relatively calm. Overnight session. The market reopened at 6 p.m. Sunday, and Nasdaq futures quickly climbed higher. Our algorithm entered a long position as the futures moved up. As the Asian markets began to stir, we saw more upward momentum, pushing our position into $90 unrealized profit. However, the rest of the night was fairly quiet with thin trading volume. Just before midnight, the market experienced a brief dip, and we closed the long position for a minor loss of $13. Morning session, European and U.S. Open. When European markets opened, there was little movement in the index. The market remained quiet, typical of a holiday week with lighter volume. At 8:30 a.m., there was a slight dip, but it didn't trigger our short signal, and the market remained relatively stable as we entered the U.S. trading session. As the U.S. market opened, Tesla saw a surge, pushing towards the 500 level. However, it couldn't break through, and the stock quickly reversed. AI stocks, in general, were under pressure, and the market dipped. Our robot took a short position, which was closed for a profit. We also placed a short position on AMD, capturing a favorable move as the stock followed a similar downward trend. At 10 a.m., Tesla dropped below the 490 mark, and the market continued to dip. Pre-noon trading. Before noon, our robot made a few scalping trades, one profitable and one losing trade. The market remained choppy, with small moves that kept our system active. Afternoon session and close. As we entered the afternoon, the market continued its decline. The sell-off was persistent, but liquidity was low, reflecting the pre-holiday environment. After the bell, with no tech earnings releases scheduled, the market settled down, marking the close of our trading day. Summary and key takeaways. In summary, today was a typical pre-holiday Monday, with light trading volumes and few catalysts. Our robot executed a total of $202 in profits and $185 from our AMD trades. It was a day marked by small moves and low volatility, with our system remaining nimble throughout. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's recap. It's always a pleasure to share these insights with you. I'm Matthew, and I'll see you tomorrow for the next edition of the show. Have a fantastic day ahead.